presence of God already, so I'm going to say the scripture and move on out the way.
So in other words, whenever we see death, don't ever make the mistake of thinking that death means that God is no longer in control. Far, far away. And when Jesus got up out the grave, God declared, he said, I beat death so bad that I never have to fight death again. There are some food boxes in the foyer, complete meals, full chicken. So whole chicken is frozen right now. But if we could, I think we got enough for one box per family. Pick one up on the way out. If you need some of these guys to help you carry it to the car, please ma'am, please sir. If we have some left over, come back and get another one. But they came from Mount Air. They were donated by All Nations Church of Faith, our sister church up in St. Paul. He got up so that I can get out. Yeah. He got up so I can get out of depression. He got up so I can get out. Nah, I'm going to leave it alone. Y'all pray for me. But I thank God for him getting up. One more time, give God a praise.